This video walks you through how to set up opening balances in Zoho Books. Begin by signing in to your Zoho Books account. Once you are in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon shown as a gear. This opens the area where account configuration options are managed. From there, go to the Setup and Configuration section and select Opening Balances. This takes you to the page where you can review the balances currently on file for your books. If you are entering these figures for the first time or making changes to existing values, move to the upper right corner and click Edit. You will now be able to enter or update the opening balance amounts for the accounts that need them. Work through the required accounts one by one. This can include asset accounts, accounts receivable, liability accounts, accounts payable, and other balance sheet accounts. Enter each amount in the correct place and make sure you are updating the intended account before moving to the next one. If a balance already appears and you need to change it, replace it with the correct amount rather than adding a second figure elsewhere. As you fill in these values, pay attention to how the totals are building. Zoho Books will show the overall debit and credit balances, and these two totals need to match. Before you continue, verify that the total debit balance is equal to the total credit balance. If the totals do not match, go back through the entries and check whether an amount was placed in the wrong account or entered incorrectly. Once the debit and credit totals are equal, take a moment to review all of the opening balance entries. Check that each amount is assigned to the correct account type and that the figures reflect the balances you want to bring into Zoho Books. This review matters because these opening balances form the starting point for your financial records in the system. A misplaced receivable, payable, or asset balance can affect reports later, so it is worth confirming each line before saving. When everything looks correct, click Save to apply the opening balances. Zoho Books will store the values you entered and use them as the current opening balances for those accounts. Your opening balances are now set up in Zoho Books.